Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by selecting the exact cells to change. This avoids altering the whole sheet. Once selected, open the Format menu and choose Borders so you can control cell outlines. Make sure to use Shift or Control/CMD to include scattered cells without reselecting the entire range. While this is happening, note that you are changing visual borders, not grid lines globally. This distinction matters because the sheet grid remains for navigation, but won't show. Now remove visible lines by turning off border edges or by matching border color to the cell fill. You can click each edge in the border preview to remove top, bottom, left, or right lines. Once done, choose a color that matches the cell background so the outline disappears. If you need exact hiding, fill the cell with a precise color first, then set borders to that same color. This ensures grid lines appear invisible while preserving cell separation for data integrity. Finish by clicking away to deselect and inspect the result. You should see those cells without outlines while others retain grid lines. If you still notice lines, make sure conditional formatting isn't reapplying borders and check frozen rows or columns, which can display differently. Once done, remember you can toggle View Grid Lines to hide all grid lines temporarily, but use cell borders for permanent, cell-specific changes. Troubleshooting tip: refresh the page or clear browser cache if visuals look inconsistent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.